Moroccan style red lentil soup. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion. Finely slice 2 garlic cloves. Dice 1 carrot. Finely dice 2 celery sticks. Finely dice 1 small red chilli. Heat a pot over a high heat. Add the onion and garlic. Add the carrots. Add the celery. Add the chilli. And saute for a couple of minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Add 1 cinnamon stick. Add 400 grams of diced tomatoes. Add 2 cups of red lentils. Add 8 cups of vegetable stock. Cover with a lid and bring to the boil. While the lentils are cooking, finely chop 1 handful of parsley and 1 handful of mint. Cut 1 lemon in half. When the water boils, stir, reduce the heat, cover with a lid and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and stir. Test the lentils are cooked, remove the cinnamon stick, then add half the soup to a blender and puree until smooth. Add the pureed soup to the unpureed soup and stir well. Test for seasoning. Squeeze in the juice of lemon and stir. Add the chopped parsley and mint and stir. Then serve.